Good morning, guys. Leslie and Ski Bakers. Oh, we are recovering from Fair Week. Hi, Stu. You gonna get wet? Oh, well, the temperature has dropped and it's great, and we are getting our much needed rain. I prefer to not do chores and get soaked. So you guys are waterproof, but my microphone is not, so. Good morning, boys. You staying dry in there? So I will try to get as much as I can for you guys without ruining my mic. Everybody is hiding because, you know, goats melt in the rain, huh? Oh, we tried to get everybody unloaded and stuff put away when we got home yesterday, but it's still kind of a hot mess. I hear you, Fergie. Are you guys hiding so you don't melt? Okay. Hi, Stu. Yeah, you're all wet. Oh, and there's a Fookie. Hi. Yes, I see you. And an Abel. Hi, big guy. Oh. Ouch. Stepped on me. So, covering you guys with my sleeve. Let's take a quick peek around here. Gemma hiding in her spool. The yearlings, of course, all hiding. We did put, let's see if we can see them, Caribou and Slash and Theo, our Weathers. They're in that shelter with the yearlings. The bucks were picking on them pretty bad. Hi, chickens. I know, I'm gonna have to get your food put back under your shelter area, huh? Ugh. Wet, 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 wet. So, we're gonna hide under the firewood canopy here for a minute. So we still have Joker with Mazikeen and Trinity in there. And you can't really see them, but Sugar, Lucifer, and Remy are our second breeding pair. So they just have a fenced area. It goes back behind this porta hut and comes back up to the fence. If they eat all that down and need some more space, we can move them just back behind it or up part of the pile. What do you think, Abel? Is it wet out here? Yeah. Here's a dry space. You can hide here. Oh, it seems to be filling up with water in some of these low spots. I'm going to go dump that off. Get it cinched back down tight. So, let's see. We'll take a walk by the turkeys. We haven't watered the garden all week because we were gone. So it really needs this rain. There are, you guys probably can't see them, but there are more red tomatoes over there. And I still haven't processed all the last ones. Hi, turkeys. I know, I gotta get you breakfast too. You guys are staying dry though. Turkey in the chicken pen. The white rocks. Have to get you out of there, huh? Yeah. Looks like most of them are probably hiding in their shelter. Some of the doelings from this year were out here screaming at me and they ran for cover again. So just before fair, we had a little gilt not acting quite right. While we were at fair, she went downhill, so we separated her in here and gave her some medicine, make sure she's eating and drinking well. Hi, Pig Pig! And she's not going to come out in the rain either, but she's laying right there. She, I don't want to say is 100% better, but she very much seems like it. I don't want to jinx myself. So, we'll see in the next day or two. As long as she's doing well, she'll go back with her buddies. Really? There's more than one turkey in here, huh? It's not where you belong, guys. Not where you belong. I have to figure out where we're gonna move the turkeys and these chickens next. They're making quite the mess, so they need a new place. And ooh, starting to make a little bit of slippery mud in the clay. Check on the rest of the pigs. Hi, Thor. Whoa, careful, buddy. It's slippery. It's slippery. I know. I got to get you breakfast. But I wanted you to say hi to everybody. Feeder pig. 3 of the old spot piglets. Whew, it's starting to soak through my sweatshirt. Hi, pigs. You guys staying dry in there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The old spot piglets and feeder pig. Hi, cows. And the Duroc. Yeah, I have to get your breakfast too. We gotta go find the other ladies though. They out in the woods. So Junior, or Bacon as my daughter calls her, mom and daughter. Hi, Duroc. I gotta go find your buddies. The bucks and bucklings. Some of them are in the shelter on the back side there. Let's go find the sows, the mama pigs. And the other 4 cows. You guys don't mind the rain, huh? I need a little umbrella for my camera. Guess I could have carried the umbrella for myself back here and it would have covered the camera, but it's kind of hard to hold a camera in one hand, hold an umbrella in another hand, and do chores. So, oh, I see one pig. She's going to try to check the ravine where they normally lay, but it looks like they're back further. So they've kind of got a spot here making a wallow, and then any water that comes down this way obviously collects there. There's more down at the bottom of the ravine now that it's raining. Oh, it's starting to rain harder. We are going to be wet for milking today. So that's Eldred. I'm checking the fence as I come through. Oop. She heard me. Hi, Eldred. Where's your sister? Where's Freya at? She's making a beeline for breakfast. She thinks I put it up there already. No. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but they have a path, the cows, across the other side of the ravine. But Freya, oh, she is on the other side. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see her right there. So she goes all the way down the ravine and back up the other side. Freya! Pig! Try to not slide down the ravine myself. Hi, Pig! Good morning. Are you guys enjoying yourself? You smell some goodies? Oh, acorns. She's enjoying foraging for acorns, and there's acorns, hickory nuts, walnuts, all kinds of things back here. And she's off. Breakfast time. Glad they can walk better in this than I can. Okay. I guess we'll get back up top and see what else we can check out. Alright. Pigs are up here. They're not too happy they have empty bowls, so. Hi, ladies. I need to go get their feed. And Thor's feed. These guys are on the gravity feeder, so the bulk bin. Bulk, yeah. Are you choring with me? Every day, huh? Stu too. Stu thinks she's a dog. She follows me around and does chores. She doesn't care if it's raining. Huh, Stu kitty? And that's pretty much everybody. The only thing we didn't check out was, well, the horses are in their shelter. Excuse me. I am not your climbing post, ma'am. No, not your climbing post. She likes to be my parrot. She likes to sit on my shoulder. Huh. Okay. And we did not check out the chick brooder. Oh. Ma'am. So, got pig feed. What? We have to give that little piglet that's by herself some feed. And then milk goats and feed poultry. What? So I am going to go do all of that and then go in the house and dry off. What do you say, Abel? You're not going to go in the house and dry off with me, though. You would make a mess. Oh, okay. Eggs and poultry, check. Definitely wet. Oh. We're going to try to get some of the stuff back organized where it belongs, and then I have to get goats milked. My sweatshirt feels like it's about 20 pounds. So, since I was not going to be home to milk everyone while we were at the fair, the wonderful neighbors fed the poultry and the pigs for me. So that was one less thing that I had to worry about early in the morning before we left and late at night when we got home. The goats that were in milk that we did not take to the fair with us. Abel, leave the kitties alone. I started drying them off. So they will not finish milk test, but at this point I'm kind of over milking goats at the moment. I will try to get a couple of them that may have a shot at earning their milk star. A couple more tests in. But right now we're kind of behind on milk tests because of the shows and everything else that we've been doing. So it just may not be this year. That's okay. There's enough other stuff to be done. We can work on it again next year. Organized enough now that I should be able to start milking. They all get one handful of chaff hay. And it's not quite right. We took this stand with us, so just trying to get everything kind of back in place. And a scoop of my dairy mix. Let's see, I still have Treble, Cupid, Fergie, Latte, Classy, Karma, Foxy, Sangria, and Trinity with an I all went to the show. So they have all been in full milk. Destiny, Taya, and Ritz were at home. I did milk Ritz out a couple times. I thought she had a pretty good chance of getting her milk star. So she's not 100% in full milk, but I'm hoping that now that I'm home I can get her back at that. We are going to go down to once a day milking here pretty quick, so chances are they probably won't hit that. We dried off Apani, Sugar, Rosie, and Trinity with a Y. So the ones that are dry I'm trying to get in breeding pens first, but some of the ones that are still in milk may end up going depending on which bucks are going. I'd like to, let's see, I put Mazikeen and Remy in breeding pens first since they didn't settle this last year. I wanted to get them in there first, that way if they don't take, I can get them back in with the buck or leave them with the buck or take them out for a little bit and put them back in, whatever I have to do to try to get them bred. And I have my list of, I think, 6 bucks with, I'm not sure how many does. My yearlings were all in that list, and I'm pretty sure some of them are not big enough. They were the ones that were stunted last year. So I'll probably pull some of them out of the list. I may put some of them that are on my sell list in with bucks just to, I don't have power. I'll have to go check on that. But I might put some of them in with bucks, that way if they don't sell, they are bred for next year. Just in case, we'll see, but we need to downsize, so I think I'm gonna get Ritz. She's ready to go. Oh, Ritzy. The milk I've just been milking and giving to the pigs. Well, I don't know why, but the sound cut out when I moved the camera. I must have bumped the cord just enough that the plug wasn't connected right, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of speed up through this, through the milking, and hopefully it's better a little later. Where you going, Cookie? What? Come on. Abel, leave her alone. Come on, Cookie. Come on. Come here. Oh. Stew instead. You are soaking wet. What are you doing? Getting me all dirty. trouble. Be nice. No, no. Up there. Oh, yeah. Up here. No, ladies, no. I think they went to fair and forgot their manners. Alright, we'll milk everybody and then come back. Alright, we're all done milking. Don't eat me, Cupid. Don't eat me. Thank you. So I'm going to take the milk and give it to the pigs and go in, get ready to make some lunch, figure out what we're going to have for dinner. And it's kind of quit raining for the moment. I'll have to check and see if it's supposed to rain more. this afternoon or not. I've got a few things I need to try to get done out here, but if it's raining, I'll just work on processing more of those tomatoes. So I think we'll leave that here for the day. Abel. Abel. Are you ignoring me? Well, that's it, guys. Have a good day. See ya on the next one.